I guess I still got it, oh my, no, I waited so long for that. I guess I still got it, oh my, no, this is where it all began.
Yeah, we're kind of doing some new things, trying to incorporate a huge element, just trying to simulate, I guess, the whole music industry.
Yeah.
You know, get photographers, videographers, and managers, all that stuff. The sound lab, students kind of get it in and create their working together in little groups. So we kind of threw out all the students interested in the program together at the beginning of the school year, and then they kind of figure out, they vibe with each other and see who, just flying. We had a whole album, he's out there now, and he graduated last year, so he's out doing it.
That's awesome.
Yeah. You'll have a portfolio ready to go when you get out. You'll have tunes. You'll have a video. That should be the goal. When you get out of here, if you're gonna go into the music industry, now you've got something to present, and ADIDAS is attached to that.
Yeah, I mean that's awesome. I feel like I just wish that was around when I was a kid.
Oh man.
So you don't realize, how effective or how much effect music has on you.
I'm on, I'm right here, I'm waiting. Found all my inspiration. Looking at you, I know I could be of use. I'm on it, I'm waiting. Found all my inspiration. Looking at you, I know I could be of use. I'm on it, I'm waiting. I'm waiting. Looking at you, I know I could be of use. I'm on it, I'm waiting. I'm waiting. Looking at you, I know I could. Hey, follow me, I'ma show you something you ain't never seen. I know the tempo won't drop, so you can start taking off everything. Yeah, we be cool for a minute. You looking like you do for a finish. I don't know what to put you through. I'm waiting on a sign cause of you. I've been stalling all in my moves, I'm sorry, but that shit is hard to do, especially when I'm chopped and screwed. I got a lot to lose. I love it when you're mad at me. I can make you lose an attitude. I'm talking out the blues. I figured you out, you're the intimate type. Yeah. If we done be polite by the end of the night, yeah.